Hi, my name is Kevin. This is my sister.
Hi, I'm Anna Milena.
Today we're going to learn about density. You will need some water, a balloon, a glass, wood. We're using a broken pencil, oil, and a rock. First, let's fill the glass up with water. Close the cap and put it down. Okay, now let's put the piece of wood first. You see it floats because it has less density than the water. Now let's put in the rock. You see that it sinks because it has more density than the wood and the water. Now we will see what will happen if we put the oil into the water. Your turn, Anna. Okay, pour it. Careful. 1, 2, 3, stop. There we go. Now, the oil floats because it is less dense than the water. There's also another reason why does the oil float on top of the water. It's because water and oil are immersible liquids. That means even if you shake them, they still stay separated. And they make 2 layers after some time. Okay. Now, you see I have a normal balloon. When I drop it, it drops down. Why? Because the air surrounding it is the same as the air inside it, and because of its density. Now, you see here, this balloon consists of helium gas, which has less density than the surrounding air, hence it rises up. I made this when I was at first grade for a class project. So, we have the problem. Why do objects sink or float in water while a human filled balloon is rising up in the air? Well, okay. Now we have that bar of density. The stone is the highest, water is second. Okay, now the things and their density. Water is 1.0. And we have things that float or sink. We put a second mark on them if it floats or sinks. Thanks for watching my video. Bye now. See you soon.